My name is Mick Wilkinson from Australia. I've recently come to Sea Smiles in Thailand to get procedured veneers and crowns, a mixture. And I've had about 7 appointments now, and I've got the last one coming up soon. And I'm very, very happy with the finished product. I had looked into it in Australia, and all that was coming up with braces, throwing the word braces, and I probably should have got them when I was younger. Unfortunately I didn't. Braces to me wasn't an option at 34, so I come here to get the procedure done. As my friends got it done here, so I'm the 6th person to get it done here that I know of, and everyone's happy. That's why I come here, because yeah, everything was good, all good reviews. I looked at the reviews on Google, and they were all really, really good. So yeah, I was a bit hesitant, but in the end I'm glad I come, that's for sure. I basically just wanted a full smile, and that's why they come up with a mixture of crowns and veneers for my top and bottom, and yeah, very, very happy with the end result. One of my good friends from school and his wife come here and got both done, and they knew 3 people that come here before them. That's why they come here, and yeah, that's why I'm here, or else I probably wouldn't have made the jump and wouldn't have come if I didn't know anyone. For me, it was, yeah, it felt right because they had good outcomes. I guess for a lot of years, it took a lot of years to finally build up, and then this year at the start of the year I inquired, what to do in Australia, how can I get a perfect smile without braces, and yeah, like I said, it was just braces kept coming up, and no one was really wanted to do what Sea Smiles do on a daily basis here. The technology here is second to none. Very, very impressed with their setup. And they've got three dental clinics in Phuket itself, so it shows that they're doing really, really well. What did I think? I was a bit nervous, but in saying that, I was the 6th person that I knew to come here, as in our line of friends. So that's why I'm here, and that's why I did it, because my friends had good outcomes. If they had bad outcomes and they weren't happy, then I wouldn't be here. They were all happy, 100%. So, and that's why I'm here. Very easy. They really do go above and beyond here. They take their time. If you have any problems or anything, their waiting rooms on time from start to finish. They treat you very, very well. I'm 100% happy. I don't know. I've got to try to pronounce it. The dentist, Titima, she was absolutely fantastic. Same dentist all the way through, which makes it very good. You get comfortable very quickly once if you've seen the same faces all the time. It's the same procedure. It's not getting different ones each time, which makes it a lot easier, because you know what you're there for, and she knows your mouth. She's done it the day before, the 2 days before that, which makes it very easy. Very, very satisfied. If you saw it before, it was no good. Yeah, very happy now. The staff were very professional, very caring. Very good. I would 100% highly recommend coming here for sure. I would do it again in a second, and I'm very, very glad that I come here. And now I've got the smile to prove it, and I've got no issues at all. So yeah, very, very happy. Can't wait to get home and get back into sales. I definitely will recommend 100%. Very happy.